Hi everyone, have you seen my new Jewels kit yet? This kit is so beautiful. I just did this nail in a video recently, and you guys can look for it on my timeline. This kit is $65, and there's 20 jars of beautiful holographic pieces and hexagons. And I did my nails with 7 of the colors out of this kit. I wanted to show this to you because it's hard for me to actually get across with a picture how beautiful this nail is. I've never done a glitter nail that looks anywhere near this blingy. I'm talking spark, spark, spark. It just sparks constantly. Out in the sun, it will blow your mind. But it is the brightest glitter I've ever used because most of it is holographic. So if you're interested in seeing more videos and you follow me, wouldn't it be nice to have one of these kits so we could do the same beautiful nails together? I think it's a great idea. And that's what I'm planning on doing. So message me if you guys are interested in this kit. There's 20 jars, each one is $3.50, so the total amount comes to $65, and you get my signature Jewels kit. And you guys will love it. Anyway, message me if you have any questions at all. I'd be happy to help you. I'm really excited about having my own signature kit. And Wavedel's been really good to me, and I want to be good to you. So let's get this party started. Thank you.